In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur images in Canva. So we're just going to start by dragging our image onto the canvas like this, and I'm also going to resize this just so we can see it a little bit better. Now, in order to blur an image, we simply need to select the image like so, click on Edit, then scroll down to the Effects section and you need to click on Blur. Now, what you can do is either blur a section of the image, for example, if I just wanted to blur a face, or what you can do is click on whole image and go and blur the entire image. So I'm just going to click on brush, and then you just need to use the brush to brush where you want this blur to apply to. So for example, if we just wanted to blur this face, you can also adjust both the brush size and also the intensity. So if I click on this remove tool, and if I just go in decrease the brush size and also the intensity, we can now go over the edges here to kind of make this a little bit smoother. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.